So next up, guys, got a really exciting truck here. It's a 2018 Peterbilt 567 day cab. It's got the Cummins diesel motor, guys, and this one here has just right around 6,500 miles, right around 2,000 hours. So just crazy low miles and hours, basically like a new truck. Really clean interior, heat and AC, aluminum rims. It's got a wet kit. Starts up run nice. Rubber's good all the way around. I will say, guys, there is some sort of emissions light on. You'll have a picture of that in the listing. Probably nothing too major, but it is on there. Completely rust-free frame, guys. It's got diff locks as well. Second one of these to come in, and they're just really clean, awesome trucks. Mike will go ahead, he'll give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, and it does have the automatic, guys. It's got an automatic transmission. Just smooth there, guys. Mike's gonna take it around here. Kind of probably show you spin around the yard quick. Really good rubber. We'll pull it up, we'll park her there, guys. There's the demo on the 2018 Peterbilt 567 day cab semi. Basically like a new truck. Good luck, guys, with auction time.